for the queen.
You got the right one. Let these big bitches know, nigga. Let these big bitches know.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I did a leopard print on my eyes. I always do my makeup based on what I'm going to be wearing, so I wanted to do something a little different from what I usually do. So I hope you like it. Stay tuned and comment, and don't forget to hit the bell. Well, I'm starting off with my brushes that I usually use, and I'm using my Morphe palette by Jaclyn Hill to highlight my eyebrow bone. Now I'm going to start off with my middle color. I always start off with middle colors, and I'm going to put it inside of my crease. Afterwards, I'm going to take my lighter shade and blend out the hard edges. Now I'm going to blend it out with this pink color and blend it in with my highlight with the eyebrow bone. I usually take a neutral color that is close to my skin tone to also blend out the colors and get rid of that harsh line in between my eyebrow bone and the color. Now I'm going in with my darker color so that my cut crease can be intense. I will be adding black to make my color darker. Now I'm getting ready to cut my crease by using my P. Louise base in Rumor 0. To bring my warm colors out, I'm going to be using my P. Louise colorful base in the color. First I'm going to start off with the color yellow, and then next I'm going to use the color orange. blending the two colors together. Afterwards, I'm going to add yellow eyeshadow on top of the yellow, and then I'm going to add orange on top of the orange base. And in the corner, I'm going to blend in the orange with the purple. I'm using a small brush to add pink to the outer corner, the inner corner of my eye. Now I'm getting ready to do the fun part. I'm using a white liquid liner and a black liquid liner to draw in my leopard spots. Now I'm getting ready to do skin, and I'm starting off by using my MAC primer because I have very oily skin, so I have to use a primer that kind of like holds in your oil so that my skin won't get so oily. And I'm using my NC45 Pro Long Concealer that I use in every video because I use that for every makeup look I have. I also use my Studio Fix Press Powder in the color NC45 or either C7. And for every look, most of the time, my favorite concealer is made by Huda Beauty because it's very creamy and it is easy to work with. It doesn't dry too quick. all of my videos, I am always using my Fenty Beauty Stick Espresso to contour my face. Here's my final look. This look I always do two different looks, one with nude lips and the other with bold lips, which is what I like the best. So let me know in the comment section which one you like, the nude lips or the bold lips, and make sure you hit the like button and subscribe.